Hi ladies and gents, I've got a subscription box. I think this is from an Australian seller and it's called Mindful Souls. It's like a spiritual type of monthly subscription box. And because of the Black Friday sales, I think from an $80 price tag it was half price, so I thought why not? So let's get into it. So if you like things like crystals and stuff like that, then this box is for you, and it's free shipping in Australia. So when you open it up, it looks like that. Nice pretty box, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So Mindful Souls. Within you, there is stillness and a sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time yourself. Herman Hesse. Oh, I don't want to say what I got, but it tells you what you get. And then there's this little card affirmation for creativity. Yes, I am a crafter. I do make things. Paper crafter. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. Oh, how cute is this little box? Where do we start? Oh, let's start with this. Look at these gorgeous bags. How gorgeous are they? And they can be reused. Let's see. I'll zoom in a little bit more. Ta-da! I'm sorry you're watching it upside down. It just takes up too much room for me to do it the other way, but I'm sure you can still see. Okay, so these are mine. Like, mine don't compare. Mine are a whole lot nicer, but oh, look, I'm not that big on howlite. It's boring. I like colours. Colours. I got these on eBay on auction. Aren't they gorgeous? Anyway, so if I had to guess, it looks like some type of howlite. These are black lava stones. That's cute. Oh, look, that's cute. The little elephant. Yeah, that is cute. They don't feel... Okay, they are real. I don't know. I'm not really too sure if anyone knows exactly what they are. Like some type of marble. Don't know. But it's cute. I like the little elephant. But I just wish it was something like these, you know. But anyway. Cute bags. Alright, next thing. Oh, that's pretty. So I think from memory, this is shungite, and this is to ward off evil. I like that. Yeah, like, you know, a lot of cultures, I know in my culture, the Greek culture, we believe in being cursed by the evil eye, like, which means jealousy, someone's jealousy upon you, basically. Yeah, so that is really cool. I like that. I'm pretty sure that's shungite, and yeah, it's drilled on the sides and they've threaded that through. That is cool. And there's another little bead there, so I'll definitely be... And that is cool how you can adjust it too. Oh my god, my head's so big it doesn't fit. You're kidding me. Oh jeez. Oh, okay, I'll get it. Yep. There it goes. Big head for a big brain. There we go. Let me just cut that little taggy thing off. There we go. mindfulsouls.com. Here we go. Hi guys. Hi. There we go. That looks really nice. I like that. Whoopsie. Okay, sorry. All right. Oh, rosemary. Oh, nice. I always have my diffusers going on. And I'm even thinking of getting into candle making, which you'll need these type of oils too. Rosemary. Let's have a little whiff of that. Oh, that's lovely. And it's not too heavy, so it's a very good quality scent. Very nice and fresh, foresty smelling. Yeah, that's real pretty. It's a cute little box it's in too. Oh, got a cute little sticker, Mindful Souls. I make journals and things like that, so that might go in. I'm actually making a spiritual journal. So, oh my gosh, orange is my favorite color. I love this. Oh my god. Like, no crap, like orange is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna hang this in my car, you know, in your windscreen thingy. Look at it, it's beautiful. And I love how it's got all the different colors, like the chakra colors. And these look like blue lava stone beads. I could be wrong. Look at that feather. It's such a good quality charm feather. And these feathers here. Oh my god, I hope they didn't kill a chicken for it. Oh my god, that is such a beautiful dream catcher. I think these might be wooden, these ones. Yeah, they are wooden. Yep, in between the teeth. Yeah, they're wooden, but they're very pretty. Wow, that is a beautiful. Really like that. Don't know where to put it, on my keyring or in my car. Yeah, I think it'll go in my car. Oh, we're still going. So all this I got for, usually I think it's 70 something, close to 75 to 80. But because of the Black Friday, you might still be able to get it for half price. Oh, this is my birthstone, guys. I'm an amethyst, February the 3rd. So if anyone wants to send me a gift. February the 3rd. Look at that. And it that's really cool. The way it adjusts. Oh, that's definitely going around me. Hold on. That is a really cool. Wow. So now I've got two, guys. I've got this beautiful amethyst. Wow. Look at that point. It can be used as a pendulum. Oh, a lot of people are saying they don't like the black chains. I love them. You can always take it off and rethread it. What a beautiful quality amethyst, honestly. And it's got a lot of weight to it, so it's really good quality. Wow. Ooh. And we got one more. Oh, there's something under there. I don't even have to look to know what they are. Rose quartz. Wow. There's our little tower. I think it's called either a tower or what's the other word for it? Obsolete or whatever it's called. Wow. Hold on. So this is what we got so far. Look at that. Beautiful quality amethyst. Look at that. Shungite. Rose quartz. I'll add that to my crystal collection. If anyone wants to see my crystal collection, leave a comment below and I will show it to you. That is beautiful. I've got a massive, like 3 kilogram one of these. And I've also got a massive sphere that I've left outside. It's like on my doggy's tombstone with an angel. Yeah. All right, we got something under here, guys. What's that? Oh, This is a little free gift. Look, a cute little Buddha. I love Buddhas. I've got a Buddha at the front of my house in my little garden. So all that for $35, free shipping, and that's good quality. It's like a clay or something, and then it's been painted. Really, really happy with that. So we'll just put everything here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and the bracelet, 7, and the sticker. All right, so let's have a look and see if I got everything right. I know my crystals enough to know I did get everything right. Yes, we've got a pendulum amethyst necklace. We've got a rose quartz pointer crystal. Oh, white turquoise and lava stone bracelet. Oh, so this is white turquoise. And yeah, I got the lava stone right, but I got the white turquoise wrong. Yeah, that had me stumped. And I think it doesn't mention it here, but I'm pretty sure they said we were getting this for free as a free gift when you bought this, which isn't mentioned here. And that's called a Serenity Buddha figurine. Don't ask me to read every single one. I'm not going to bore you with that. But yeah, I'm very happy with all that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Hi Alana.